welcome back. In today's video, I thought of sharing with you the different gadgets that I use for remote work. I'm very low maintenance. I don't want to keep a lot of things, so I just keep the essentials. And from time to time, I try to splurge on something, but basically I have to justify first if I'm going to buy something or not. And for a long time, I have been using these same things and I've been just fine. So if you're thinking of starting to work remotely, you don't really need to have a lot of stuff. Just a basic laptop will do. But if you want to add more to make your job more efficient, then that would be great. So let's start with what's on my lap. My long-time laptop. This one. Yes, okay, this is probably for my thumbnail now. This is my Asus laptop. It's a 15.6-inch laptop that was given to me by YouTube when I joined YouTube Next Up and was one of the 12 winners last 2019. And I'm still using it until now. I'm going to link everything that I will mention in this video in the description box just in case you're interested. So it looks like this. Right, it's just a black color. And I have personalized or customized the desktop so that every box here contains all the apps or the folders that I have. This one is an i5 laptop. It's a VivoBook. It's quite confusing because there are a lot of VivoBooks. So again, just look at the description box below. And this is my daily driver. This is basically what I've been using every single day to do my tasks. That includes video editing for all the videos that I have and multitasking. I do have a PC here at home, but it's not here in my office. It's in the living room, which is being used by my son and my husband most of the time. So if something happens to my laptop, I still have a backup.
And while we are on the topic of remote work, I'd like you to go ahead and consider Multiply Me if you are looking for a chance to work remotely or even work from home. You can definitely check out multiplyme.com/careers. You can join our talent pool and just sign up here to get notified on new job opportunities. Or if not, you can scroll down and look at the different job opportunities that we have for you. These are all 100% remote, and I can vouch for Multiply Me definitely because I have been working with their internal growth department. And when you click on one of these, let's just say PPC Advertising Manager, you can see the job description and you can apply here right away. You can just click I'm interested, of course, once you have read everything that's here. Or you can also share this. So when you click I'm interested, you can definitely refer someone as well by clicking this, share, and enter your name, your work email, and once you generate the link, you can use that link to receive credit for anyone who applies through your link, even though you are not a multiplier or a part of the company. You can also apply with Indeed by clicking this, or just fill out the entire form right here and then submit your application.
And aside from this laptop, I also now have this Huawei MatePad 11. Yeah, this is MatePad 11 with the M Pen that comes with it. And this one I'm kind of using as a second monitor. Looks like this. Screen is pretty much like that. Yeah. The first few ones who got this MatePad had the magnetic keyboard, but I did not have because I just got it very recently. And although it doesn't have Google services, I was still able to download some of the Google apps with its built-in app gallery. It is quite inconvenient if you are a heavy Google user just like me, but there are some workarounds, so this pretty much still works. I can still open the apps that I'm using for work, like ClickUp, Notion, even Gmail, all the social media apps, and even YouTube I can open here. So if you are looking for something that you can use as a second monitor, this will definitely do. Okay. And then I also have my nth keyboard and mouse. And I'm saying my nth keyboard and mouse. That's because I have been looking for the best keyboard. I still don't believe this is the best, but this is the best that I have for now. And this is better compared to all of the keyboards that I've bought previously. This is a Logitech keyboard, and I love the colors like blush pink. And it can connect to a lot of devices. I also like the, what do they call this mouse? It's like I don't know, but they have a term for this mouse. I'm going to put it in here once I've seen it. I bought this from Shopee, and they go together. And so far, this is the best that I've used compared to the previous ones that I've purchased. And yeah, I like that it is just very compact. I can also use this keyboard for the tablet, which is good because it's multi-purpose. Okay, aside from that, I also have this Fifine mic. I mostly use this for meetings, conference, and also for my podcast sessions. I bought this from Shopee as well, so all the links will be down in the description. And this was really nice because I feel that I'm really doing a podcast with this podcast mic. And the quality is also good, the sound is good, and it's heavy, so you can just put it on your table and it won't really wobble. But the thing with this is it doesn't have an arm, so you can't use it like this. You have to buy the separate arm for it. But it works well for me. And then I have this cell phone stand that I also got, I think, from Lazada. When I'm using my phone for conferences and when I'm out and about. I'm also using this when I go live using my phone. It's really helpful. Or if I am doing unboxing, because you can pretty much like do this. There. Yes. So it's very, very flexible. If you want to do flat lay, you can do that. And then you can just adjust it like this. And you can also adjust it horizontally like that. Pretty cool. And then I have this headset. It's just from Miniso. It says Let's Roll. I like the color, but this one doesn't have a mic. So I usually pair this headset with this mic when I do conferences or when I do my podcast. And for regular calls, team meetings that I have, I would always use the Lightner headset. This is wireless, but I do have a dock over there that I can't remove because it's just there. And this one was gifted to me by headsets.com. It's around $250, I believe, that you can also find on Amazon. And this comes with its own foam. I already bought this new foam because the previous ones I have abused already. So now, this is still the daily driver that I'm using when it comes to headsets. This is now what I've been using every single day. This is noise cancelling as well, and the sound is also pretty decent. And what I like about this is that it's wireless. So even if you have a delivery outside, you can still go without disrupting your meeting. And there's also a way to mute yourself just from the buttons right here. Alrighty. And then we have, of course, an external camera. For some reasons, the camera on my laptop is now acting up because I have installed something on my laptop that doesn't allow my internal webcam to work anymore. So I bought this A4Tech webcam back home when I was in Jensen. So it's just, I think from, I forgot. But it is, I bought it at SM. And this one just slides down like this. It's just up to 720p, but the quality of the video is still really good, especially in good especially when you have good lighting condition. The only catch about this is you can't really extend it, so it's really just this small. The height of it is not enough for you to show your entire face. So what you need to do is to just put it somewhere, an elevated space, and then it would work. And I also have this Mitsubishi speaker, this one in red, although I ordered this in black, or was it blue, but this is what came. So this one is really good sound quality as well. I use this when I am listening to podcasts or when I'm editing podcasts for work, and it has really good sound quality. This is also what I'm using when I'm watching movies on Netflix and just listening to Spotify. Really good. Okay, so I think that's basically it. There's not much that I could share, but I will have a realistic home office tour with you soon. Comment below what questions you have, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!